Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for IB Economics. First, familiarize yourself with the entire syllabus, paying close attention to the learning objectives for each unit. Next, dedicate time to truly understanding core economic concepts and how various models function. Finally, consistently practice essay writing and data response questions to hone your analytical and evaluative skills. This foundational approach will set you up for success. To truly master the content, begin by creating comprehensive notes for every unit, ensuring clarity and conciseness. It's crucial to then apply these economic theories to current real-world events and case studies, which deepens your understanding. Don't forget to regularly review all key definitions, formulas, and diagrams. Consistent review reinforces your knowledge and helps you recall information efficiently during exams. For effective exam preparation, consistently work through past examination papers, strictly adhering to timed conditions. This simulates the actual exam environment and improves your time management. Critically analyze the official mark schemes to understand exactly what examiners are looking for in terms of structure, content, and evaluation. Furthermore, actively seek feedback on your written responses from teachers or peers to identify areas for improvement. Finally, consider forming study groups with classmates. Collaborative learning can clarify complex topics and offer new perspectives. It's also vital to maintain a balanced study schedule, incorporating regular breaks to avoid burnout and ensure sustained focus. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Utilizing tools like smart speakers can enhance your study environment, perhaps with background music or quick information lookups during those well-deserved breaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.